mister.
That is not a move.
Oh, you guys are so cute. Scully's feeling wild this morning. You're feeling like a wild girl. Okay, what's on the menu this morning? I think I'm gonna go with this one. Oh, you cannot see that. Stomio. Probably butchering how you say these. Definitely. That is some pretty foam. So pretty. Look at how many vitamins Taylor has to take.
It used to be a lot fuller. I'm out of an iron pill and an omega. So I used to have 2 more. And I also don't have D3 in there, so that's not all.
That vegan life. I just take these ones. And B3 sometimes. B2.
Yeah. Well, we just got these.
Yeah. I don't usually take them otherwise. They're so cute though. Like little... They just taste like sweets.
They do. I'm not sure if I like that or if I would rather a pill, to be honest.
Really?
Yeah. It just feels weird to wake up and eat like a gummy.
Well, you're supposed to
Well,
eat them with food, so. This is Scully's favorite kind of ball, like these sparkly things. She loves them. Hello, cutie pie. She usually brings it back, but only twice. Which is so... What is she doing right now? What? Why didn't you bring it? Oh, that's so nice, Scully. Do you love your brother so much? What are you doing?
Whoa.
They're so weird. This door keeps closing because we have the window open in December because for some reason it's 7 degrees out. So I'm gonna have to put that there. Otherwise, you look like the size of a cow. How are you so big? How are you so big? If anyone was wondering what life with cats is like, it's a little bit like this. He is unreal.
Whenever I get out of the shower, I'm immediately attacked.
Immediately. And he jumps from the ground straight onto your shoulder. Like, he does not give a shit what you're doing, if you're holding something.
This time I was just bent down, like plugging in my phone to charge, and I was like, no, and then...
Oh yeah, you can say no 1,000,000 times and he'll still do it. He just does what he wants. Look at him rubbing his head on yours. He's obsessed. So like if you ever see us carrying Oswald, he's jumped into our arms. Like we don't pick him up, he jumps.
Just wash my face.
You got your sideburns all messed up.
Oh my goodness, buddy. Okay, yeah, let me fix it. Anyway, it's kind of cute.
So cute. He's so needy.
Are you a happy boy?
Oh my god.
Spit camera shine off.
Oh my god. Look at that. He's actually a baby. Like when we say he's a baby, like this is what we mean.
Oh, I hope you didn't leave a hole in that.
Has anyone seen a cat like this? Like are all cat? No, we have 2 cats. Scully's definitely not like that.
I feel like most are like him.
Most are like him. If you have a cat, you should comment if your cat is like him. Oh, she's so cranky. Scully, that's so rude. She's giving you guys headbutts. I don't even remember the last time I picked up the camera. But I'm about to make us hot chocolates and put on a Christmas movie. Scully. Wow, you guys are getting all the headbutts.